So what's up guys, welcome back to this channel. All right, so in this video I'm going to be exposing a secret to you guys. All right, so if you look at this chart, this is the desktop view of the previous video I dropped. Okay, so if you have not watched the previous video on how I made this entry and how I was able to double my accounts, you can check the previous video. Okay, I used my phone in order to share with you my entry, my analysis and all that, but this is the laptop view. But that's not exactly what I want to share with you in this video. What I'm about to share with you is mind-blowing. Okay, so I want you to follow me. Don't skip any part of this video if you want to enjoy this channel, because this is me rebranding and trying to take you through step by step, okay, in this journey of profitability in the forex market. Now, what I want to share with you is this. I call it the fact findings. All right. Now, in trading, if you understand this concept, this thing I'm going to be explaining, there is no two ways about it. You are definitely going to become profitable with time. Remember, I said with time. I did not say you are going to be profitable today or tomorrow, but with time, if you understand this and you apply whatever I'm going to share with you today, you are definitely going to be profitable. And why I'm sharing this is because I'll be dropping videos here, and once I hit 1,000 subscribers on this channel, I will start live streaming. So whatever I'm going to be doing here will be related to these things. Okay, this is just the foundation, like a foundation of whatever I'm going to be doing here. All right, so if you look right here, the first thing I have here is that forex chart is complex. Forex chart is complex. See, if you look at a chart like this, you understand that this chart is complex. No matter how you want to claim to be a pro analyst, financial analyst, you are best in terms of price action or technical analysis, accept this thing, know this and know peace. Forex chart is very complex. Okay, forget about the lines you are drawing and every other thing. I'm telling you the truth. Now you have to accept this fact. Then the next thing is that forex trading is difficult because the chart is complex. It becomes difficult to analyze. Okay, it becomes difficult to do that analysis, to know the direction of the market, because that's how we make money. We just want to know where next the price will be heading to. Now, the third fact in the forex market is that we have different valid approaches. What this means is that you can approach the forex market in different ways, and those ways are still valid. So let me now bust your bubble or shock a lot of you. You know, when I mentor people or when I meet my some of kind of my fellow traders, there are some people, not all traders, there are some traders that just believe that the concept they are using are the only valid concept in the forex market. Maybe you meet someone trading support and resistance and they tell you, oh, if you are using indicator, you don't know what you are doing. You meet another person who trade SMC, the person will tell you, if you are trading support and resistance, you don't even know what you are doing. The price doesn't respect any support level. The price also just simply focuses on liquidity, focuses on fair value gap, focuses on this, that. They start early by institutional traders and all that. Now, if you meet someone who trade ICT concepts, the person will, you know, will tell you that nothing else works apart from what ICT is teaching. You meet someone who is trading candlestick, the same thing. So you see a lot of traders making this mistake, thinking that the only concept that works is the concept that they trade or they know very well. You might be profitable in trading support and resistance. That doesn't mean that other trading concepts are invalid or they can't work or you can't become profitable with it. So different people have their own different strategy they are using, or the concept that actually works for them. All you have to do is that whatever that makes you money, you stick to it and forget about the general opinion of people. You focus on whatever that is making you money. And that is why I am here to tell you today, I've taken my time to, check these things out myself, listen to traders, and I now understand that every concept works. It all depends on the person who is using it. If you trade candlestick patterns, you can still be profitable. If you trade with indicators alone, you can still be profitable. You trade with let's say ICT concepts, you can still be profitable. You're a smart money trader, you can still be profitable. No matter what concept you are trading, or no matter your approach towards trading, you can still be profitable. It all depends on you the trader. Okay, so if you understand these three things, is good, these particular things I mentioned is going to change your mindset towards trading. So once you learn a strategy, you focus on it. Forget about any other thing anybody is selling to you, telling you this one doesn't work and the other one works. In this forex market, nothing new is coming out in this forex market. Everything existed before. Any mentor, anybody telling you to pay for this, pay for that, I'm not saying that you shouldn't pay for courses, but just know that the person is not going to show you anything new. The person can only expose you to what you have not seen it before, or you have not heard it before. It doesn't mean that this person is creating this thing out of the moon. It's still something that exists, right? And any concept you want to trade, just focus on that concept. Take your time, understand it, trade it, analyze it, and make sure that this is actually the kind of concept that suits your trading style and plan. Then focus on it. So now the biggest secret I want to share with you now is this. For the fact that you know that the forex chart is complex, and this complexity, or the how complex the forex chart is, makes forex trading difficult. Now you also understand that you can still approach the forex market in different ways, right? Then what you need to do, you know that this chart is complex and is difficult. The best thing, or the best gift you should give to yourself, is to focus on concepts that are simple. So guys, as you can see, focus on concepts that are simple and clear. These are the two things you need to focus on. Any strategy that is not simple and clear, I think if you are going to listen to whatever I'm going to say now, if you will listen to my own advice, any strategy that is not simple or clear, don't even try to invest your time and money in that strategy. Any strategy you want to use, make sure that the strategy is simple and clear. You know the problem we have, we always want to put, we always want to stress ourselves when it comes to this forex market. The chart is already stressing us. Why not keep other things simple? If you want to trade support and resistance, keep it simple. So much of information in this forex market have dealt with a lot of us, and I am a victim. That is why I'm creating this video. Now, if you keep things simple and clear, that is the bedrock of your profitability in this forex market. Now look at this. Let me clearly use this particular chart, this particular trade for instance. That's why I left the trade, because I wanted to explain something. So if you look at this particular chart, you see that the price have been pushing all the way to the downside all this while. So what I did, why I catch this move, is simply that I was observing the chart. Now the price have been breaking structures towards the downside, so everything is about selling, selling, selling. Now you put in your trend line. The price broke out of this trend line. You can see that the price pushing above this after Asian section consolidation. Okay, the price actually pushed outside, break above it. Now when the price broke this trend line, I already have a structure. You can see right here we have a structure above here, which you can equally call liquidity or anything like that. The price took out this structure, or took out the liquidity zone at this point, this liquidity right here, then pushes up massively. That means we have cleared structure. There might be a change of trend in this time frame. This is 15 minutes time frame. Now I'm simply going to be waiting for the price to retrace a bit, because the price left some gaps. As the price is pushing up, the price left some gaps. You can see right here, we have gaps around this zone. So the price is likely going to come back to correct this gap. Now, where exactly am I going to be taking my trade? That is the reason why I apply this Fibonacci retracement. I want the price to retrace at least 62%, 70.5%, or 79%. This is exactly my killer zone using Fibonacci retracement. Okay, now the price retraced back to 62%. Okay, but the way the price approaches the level is impulsive. Remember, I have my consolidation here. The price will consolidate, expand. Okay, after consolidation, the price will expand, and after expansion, the price will retrace back before the next expansion. That's the price flow, or the market flow, right? So now the price is pushing down. I want to, you know, have a confluence after this breakout. I want the price to at least approach this zone again, this consolidation zone, right? When the price comes to this zone, I already have my levels. These are the levels I'm focusing on: just 79%, 70.5%, and 62%. So when I look at my trend line, this price is about to retest my trend line and also retesting my 79% or 0.79%. So this is a very interesting area for me, okay, or key level for me. So the price breakouts have shown me direction, clear liquidity above. The price is now trying to correct a gap and also retesting a very key, a very important level or key level at this point. So I have every reason to buy this particular pair right here. As simple as that, and as clear as possible. You need to keep things simple and clear. Okay, so this is actually how you can actually define a profitable strategy, or you can actually start making money in this forex market. You don't need to complicate things in this forex market to make money. You don't need to check from monthly time frame to weekly time frame to 1 hour to 1 minute before you start making money. If that's your strategy, good and fine, it works for you, stick to it. But I'm saying it is not a general thing that you must check from a higher time frame to a lower time frame before you start making money in the forex market. You can trade with just one time frame, you can trade with just candlesticks, you can trade with indicators alone, you can trade with trend lines, support and resistance, you can trade fair value gap, other blocks, you can trade anything at all. Just stick to something that you understand very well and it's very simple. Once you can do this thing, I bet you are going to become a profitable trader. Even if you are not seeing the profitability immediately, you are going to see that you are improving. You are improving. Your entry is going to improve, your profit is going to improve, your knowledge is going to improve. But when you want to see everything, you want to check support and resistance, the price as your support and resistance, support or resistance, instead of you to make your entry or start looking for entry, you now start considering where is the liquidity, where is the fair value gap, where is the other block, where is my higher time frame. You start asking yourself a lot of questions. You are getting yourself confused. Too much of information is destroying your profitability. So that is exactly why I say that the biggest secret I'm going to share with you today is that you should keep your chart and your strategy simple and clear. Keep it simple and clear. This is the secret for me of becoming profitable in this forex market. Thank you for your time. I hope this is helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video to people who might need this video, okay, especially beginners in the forex market. Also, don't forget to like and leave a comment on how you see this video and what next you want me to create video on. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys. Enjoy.